I'm not sure if this is coincidence or not, but I got sick immediately after sanding the ceramic finish off of this subframe. So I don't know if I inhaled some. Well, actually, I'm pretty sure I did inhale some of those fumes there. So I remember the smell, and I remember thinking, oh, geez, I better put a mask on. Anyways, I put a mask on, but I was probably too little, too late by that point. So, anyways, week after, for the following week, I wasn't feeling too great. So, yeah, lesson learned the hard way. Always make sure you wear the proper PPE when you're working with stuff like that, or doing anything really. Your health is paramount. Nobody else is going to take care of it for you. Finally got the subframe back from getting repaired. The tabs got welded on, new tabs welded on, and the oversized hole that was in here got filled, and I've obviously drilled and tapped it, so that's almost good to go. I'm going to gonna buff that up a little bit better. I was worn pretty good in spots from this seat pan here. Apparently plastic will wear aluminum. Who knew? So yes, there's a lot of rough spots here where the plastic was resting or wearing on the aluminum. So yeah, so what I think I'm going to do after I get that buffed up a little bit better there, I'm going to put a coat of ceramic clear coat on that, try to protect it, and then I'm going to put some thick transparent stickers on the spots where the seat pan rests on it to try to prevent any further wear. I'm also going to put some transparent plastic adhesive on the spots that have turned gray here. I'm going to sand them down smooth and flat, and like I said, put some stickers on there, or decals, or whatever you want to call it. Again, to prevent wear on the plastic and prevent the plastic from wearing into the aluminum. Anyways, I'm gonna hopefully start working on that soon. Yeah, so anyway, the shipments have been slowly trickling in periodically. Obviously the wheels and tires are finished. I finished, well, I don't know if I finished. I have buffed and polished, beautiful mirror finish, the Swingarm. Although I think I might have another go at the polishing here. It's the buffing wheel was getting a little bit caked with the buffing compound there, so I'm going to have to clean that up and maybe have another go at that swing arm. But yeah, I mean, it looks really good so far. Pipe. Obviously sandblasted this. It'll work. It's looking pretty good. Lighting is terrible in here. Either it didn't sandblast it very well, or it just started flash rusting on me here. It's obviously there's still some rust in here. That's okay though. I'm going to be going at this with going to be going at this with whatever you call them, the things you put in the drill, sandpaper, you know. drums, sanding drums, I guess. Yeah, so anyways, I'm going to sand the rust off of that, and once I got it down to bare steel, i.e. no rust, then I'm going to start buffing it with some Scotch-Brite, get a decent finish to it, and then electroplate it with some nickel. And one last thing here, I just want to go on record as saying that I really don't even know why or remember why I was so enamored with the this stuff. I used to know how to pronounce it. I can't remember or care anymore. Cherbys. Yeah, I was fairly enamored with that brand for some reason. I must have got some hand guards or something that I liked and must have just stuck with me. But anyways, I got these fork guards, and they didn't come with the there's supposed to be a you can see there's a little ridge on the inside there. There's supposed to be I don't know what you call it. It's like a bracket or a clamp that connects to the bottom end of the upper shock or fork portion, and it kind of it provides another point of contact for the top of these lower fork guards. Not really 100% essential. I mean, you can get by without them, but for optimal support, you know, it's best to have them there. And I mean, I guess I do have the black ones that came off the bike, but I thought that would look a little goofy having the black clamps holding these white fork guards on, so I hated to do it, but I went and I bought the UFO set, because they have these brackets that I was talking about. These things. See, there's that part here that that little ridge rests in and slides on when the fork is compressed. Anyways, so yeah, so I got this UFO fork guard kit. I hated to go another $40 deep into this thing, but I felt it was necessary. Again, primarily for those brackets, but once I get them out of the package and get looking at them and comparing them with the Cherbys ones, wow, the UFO ones, I gotta say, far superior. The fit and finish, quality, craftsmanship, way better on the UFO. And if at a quick glance you may notice the holes are larger on the UFO ones. I think the reason. This one comes with hardware. Little I'm guessing aluminum, I haven't really looked at them too closely. Bushings, as well as the nuts and bolts that hold them together. The Cherbys ones do not. So, yeah, I wish I could go back in time, went straight to the UFO and just bypassed the Cherbys ones altogether. Unfortunately, those were one of the first things that I bought, as in like a year ago I bought them. So yeah, I mean, ideally I would have just returned them, but like I said, the date for eligibility for returns would have come and gone long ago for them, so I'll just either I'll keep them as spares, or I'll try selling them on Facebook Marketplace, and if there's little to no interest, I'll just keep them as spares, whatever. So yeah, yeah, I'm a convert. UFO plastics, that's the stuff. So yeah, you want plastics, UFO is the way to go. Polysport's pretty good quality too. I haven't really looked at the full plastics kit here too closely, but it seems like pretty good quality. But again, I feel like UFO is top shelf. Convince me otherwise. Nice if they sponsored me, but anyways. Oh yeah, look, I got some of the fluids here. Coolant, premix oil, transmission oil, brake fluid. Got some more fluids on the way. Fork oil, shock oil. Yeah. Anyways, like I said, shipments trickling in constantly. So yeah, this video is going on way too long. It's getting late. Anyways, that's it for now.